Hey everyone, my name is Justin Boats with Inferno Mobile Youth Arts Program, and today we've got an amazing tutorial by teaching artist Rob Fry, who shows us how we can make music using items that I'm pretty sure you can find in your kitchen. Let's check it out.
Hello, my name's Rob from Inferno. Maybe you've read our cookbook. We have recipes for sound activities that you can do at home, by yourself, like me, or with your brothers and sisters and your parents. So don't forget to explore the sounds around you while you're staying at home. I'm in the kitchen with some barbecue skewers and some different size glasses. Let's listen to what they sound like. Did you hear that? Listen one more time. Maybe you notice that they have different pitches. This is one of the activities I like to do, exploring sounds inside everyday objects. All the properties of these glasses and the properties of these barbecue skewers, they affect the sound. By properties, I mean how thick the glass is, how big it is. Most of these are in order from big to small. And the small one sounds really high-pitched, while the big one sounds more low-pitched. Well, what other things do we have? I have a drumstick with me, and it sounds different than the barbecue skewer. It's a lot bigger and heavier. Remember to be careful when you're playing with glass, because it can break and become sharp. So we always just play gently. You don't have to hit it really hard. Well, I also have some wine glasses. And these things sound pretty different too. That's a glass one. And that one's made out of plastic. You hear the difference? Glass is a little bit more resonant because of how the molecules are bonded together. So it affects the sound in different ways. And we have some more things inside the kitchen we can play with. Like if I take some water and put it into my jar, this is a mason jar. And then I take the lid and screw it on. We have a water drum, okay? The metal sounds like this. But if you tilt the jar, sometimes the little top becomes depressed in, so I have to pop it back out. But listen to what happens again. Without the water touching the metal, it sounds like this. And as I tilt the jar to make the water touch the metal lid, it changes the sound. I like playing with all these everyday objects. I hope you find some everyday objects in your kitchen to play with as well. And remember, keep exploring.
If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can be informed of all the new tutorials and cool digital art related videos we're going to be making in the future. Also, make sure you check out the free Inferno cookbook by clicking on the link in the description. There you'll find recipes for all kinds of fun, creative projects and activities. Thanks for watching!